morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome back. Today we are back on the job, garden build. Today we are doing some more gardening. I'll show you what the plans are for today. So we did the fencing yesterday. That's all complete. So I'll show you what we've got to do today. So this area is going to be a patio. This area here where we dug all the way around to here. So we've got a little bit of leveling of soil to do. Got to take out some more soil, particularly on this side here, going all the way down, flatten it out. And then, oh, actually, there's another issue that came up. We found, taking the concrete out, that this was broken. And we can tell there was a lot of water getting in because a lot of the bricks here were very damp. So we're going to replace this gully here, trap, with a PVC one. Dig this out, cut the clay pipe, put a joint on it. We're going to replace that, and then we're going to do a concrete border all the way around the house. We're going to remove this step. We're going to run it all the way along the house here and then across there. So there'll be a gap between the house and the paving, which will be filled with gravel. And then we're going to fill in the inside of that area with paving stones. So I hope I kind of explained that well. You might have to just watch it to see how it's going to work. So that's the plan for today. So we're going to measure this up now, go and get what we need, do a little bit more digging, and then see if we can get all these edging laid today. And then tomorrow we should have our hardcore, and we should bring hardcore in and start pouring all the hardcore out and leveling it all out. Okay, so that's today's job. So thanks for watching, and please give us a like, and we'll see you later. Hi guys, so that's us for today. Show you a quick update on what we got up to today. So this is what we did today. So we have put in some edging, putting the edging along here all the way to there to divide the patio area from the grass area. And we replaced the drain here, which was a broken clay drain, and we put a new PVC drain in there. So that's been done. We also boxed that in as well, and we did the edging here. We boxed the old drain in as well, and we did some edging down here. And we unfortunately ran out of edging, so we need to get one more piece there tomorrow. And that is it. So tomorrow we do a bit of leveling tomorrow, a bit more leveling. We've got some concrete hardcore to put down, and then we've got our Mott 1 coming on Thursday and sharp sand, and we'll get this whole area leveled out, ready for the paving storm. So if all goes well, we should be done on Friday. So I hope you like what we did today, guys. See you tomorrow.